So first was review of financial reports, and the second was review of chart of accounts. So let's move on to number 3. So which is one of the biggest ones? Reconciliation. When was accounts being reconciled? Meaning that when somebody is going in and matching your books, your Xero, with your bank account. When was that happen? Did it ever happen? Did it happen 6 months ago? Did it happen 3 months ago? We can clearly see this. And so, for example, let's go into manage account, and then we can go to reconcile account, and then see if this is happening. All right. So I can see, the reconciliation period shows 0. Okay. So there is no reconciliation period. So the accounts have not been reconciled. So that means we need to go back and work on this throughout the year. I mean, so that means we need to look at each account. We need to look at what was happening, and then how we can do this. And then so this is very important. This is very important when we are looking at banking, when looking at transactions. Is the bank okay with 0? What do I mean by that is that the bank has all the transactions. Is it in 0 or not? That's number 1, right? So let's look at the bank account transactions here. So you can see, if you see on the right hand side, it says status. It says unreconciled. That means these transactions have come in, but not in 0. The 0 hasn't matched it with the bank. The reconciled, shows that they are in the bank. They're also in 0. So these are important things that we are looking at. And then so if, again, right here, look at this. So 2025, I mean, of course, we know the bank reconciliation has not been done. The only thing that is showing is that the transactions are matching. So these are 2 accounts. These are 2 transactions that are still left. I mean, so there's a problem with the reconciliation. We can see there are 2 transactions from previous years that have not been reconciled. You cannot just do, out of the 12 months, you cannot just pick a month and do reconciliation. That means either you have to go in order for reconciliation to work. So it must be January, February, March, April, May, June. It cannot be June and then December, June 2025 and then December 24th. No, it doesn't work that way, because the balance continues. You got to carry forward the correct balance, so the balance continues. So we cannot pick each month. And then so these are things that we are looking at when we are doing bookkeeping cleanup.